it's I was working on the car, changing tires a little bit. I'm just changing tires, doing the maintenance stuff, as I get getting prepped up. Except the motor is gonna be here, honestly. So right now I can't work on this car for now, but that will be on the next episode. So, perfect. Right now, this car is on the top speed of 110, 112 miles an hour. So I need to get this, get all this stuff up. So for now, I am gonna keep this, keep the tow truck, keep the shop truck, keep the van. For now, right now, I am gonna transform pretty much all of these vehicles. So this truck I'm gonna keep. This semi gonna get sold. This sell. This gonna sell. And this gonna sell. Right now I really need a truck at my place, so I'm gonna build I'm gonna start building from here to there. So okay, I got pretty much a lot of stuff around here, but although you can't wait to get the vehicles, but I'm gonna keep these vehicles, all those vehicles, and right now I'm waiting until people are buying those cars. So right now I am gonna show you. Yep, here we are. Yeah, I built this truck for myself. I'll get to I'll get that to that later. Yep. I made a construction worker truck, a military car, a police car, I don't know where it is, and an ambulance. So right now I am gonna park that ambulance right here. So if anyone wants the vehicles, they could get over here. I don't know what I'm saying, but yep, I put a V6 bump. I put a V6 in this car, a newer V6 in that car, so in that era. So I am gonna nope, military. Oh, yeah, I put a diesel. I put a power stroke in this military this military Jeep. So for power stroke Ford, because why not? let's get in this semi truck. Okay. I know I am gonna purchase more vehicles. Doesn't matter, it's a junk. Doesn't matter. Use, store bought from the factory or whatever. I'm gonna purchase everything. But except this. Except I'm not gonna sell this truck. Um, this truck right now is a pretty good one. So right now I should um park it to my do a flip. So right now I am gonna park the truck right there. So look at that. Look at this to that. Yeah. You could tell there's different. So I put a 454 big block in this truck with a manual transmission with the 350 turbo transmission and with it's a flatbed truck. It's a flatbed truck with quite a good power, but not much, but good power of it. And this bone stock from the factory. But right now I am not. I am. Okay, I'm gonna do stuff like here. Yeah, so this is the office. I work here, so oh yeah, and you can. All right, perfect. Gonna leave it there for now. I really want to test drive this truck. Um, it turns very nicely, but I am turning. So, um, right now, um, oh, well, I thought they put a gravel road here, but okay. I guess not. So, right now I'm not building a truck. I'm not building a truck, but wow. Yeah, Right now, I am gonna run all the way there. I will be right back. Well, right now I am gonna get in my car. So I am gonna end this video pretty soon. So hopefully you like it. So I am selling the cars and stuff. So right now I am keeping this car and that truck and that car. So see ya.